Mark.
And we are at T-minus 9 minutes and counting. And the ground launch sequencer has been initiated. NASA Test Director Jeff Spaulding is about to call for the transmittal of stored pre-launch commands as Endeavour is prepared for launch on shuttle mission STS-108, less than 9 minutes away, on a mission back to the International Space Station.
CLT OTC. CLT go. Connect essential buses to fuel cells per your checklist. Essentials to the fuel cells in work.
T-minus 8 minutes and counting. Mark Kelly is now flipping switches in the cockpit to directly connect the 3 fuel cells to the essential power buses.
Copy.
T-minus 7 minutes, 30 seconds and counting, and the orbiter access arm is being retracted away from the vehicle. This is the walkway used by the crew to gain entry into and out of the vehicle, and if necessary can be returned to position within just a few seconds.
CAPU OTC. JRPS OTC. JRPS. 1069. Start APU recorders. APU strip charts are running. CLT OTC. CLT go. Perform APU pre-start. CLT in work.
And the orbiter test conductor, Rudy Tinch, has given pilot Mark Kelly the go-ahead to perform the auxiliary power unit pre-start procedure. Kelly will set the switches in the cockpit to put the 3 power units in the ready-to-start configuration. T-minus 6 minutes and counting.
OTC, PLT, APU pre-start complete, 3 grade talkbacks. OTC copy.
And Mark Kelly has reported that the pre-start procedures are complete. APU activation will come up in just a few seconds.
Yeah, for your request, that score is activated this time. Copy.
T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
Here, let's go.
And we have a go for APU start. The auxiliary power unit activation has been reported complete.
APU start. CLT in work.
Also at this time, the launch team will be terminating liquid oxygen replenish to the external tank.
CDR.
T-minus 4 minutes, 30 seconds and counting.
CLT, APU start. OTC CDR heater reconfig is complete. OTC copies.
T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
First sequence 4.
We're in the process now of a final test of the flight control surfaces. This is a programmed pattern of movements designed to verify the readiness for launch of the engines and other flight control surfaces. And a final aerial surface check of the orbiter's wing elevons and rudder are being completed. And this verifies the orbiter's hydraulic systems. And coming up next will be the 3 main engines. They'll be gimbaled in a final test before launch. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. And all is going well for launch this afternoon. Everything on board Endeavour looks good.
CLS. LO2 pressurization.
The gaseous oxygen vent hood will be slowly retracted away from the top of the external tank.
CLP OTC, clear caution warning memory, verify no line.
That will be coming up momentarily.
CLP in order.
T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds and counting.
OTC, PLP, caution and warning memory cleared, no unexpected errors. OTC copy.
Everything continues to look good and we are cleared for launch.
Close and lock your visors and issue. Endeavour copies. O2.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
CLS is go for LH2 pressurization.
All systems are go, and we are just about 90 seconds from launch of Endeavour. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. The ground launch sequencer is verifying that the 3 main engines are ready to start. T-minus 45 seconds and counting.